Hello friends, welcome to Exot Solutions. Friends, in previous video we have seen the ellipse command. So friends, if you have any query about that video, please comment your query in comment section. So I will give you a resolution. Okay. So friends, let's get started with our next video. Welcome back friends. In this video we are going to see the arc command. Okay, so friends, here you will see number of command shown. Okay, so friends, we will see each one of them, but we will see first from 3 point. Okay, so friends, for 3 point we have to just specify the start point, the second point, and you will see as we move our mouse, our third point means that arc will end in third point. Okay, so our arc have ended here. Okay, likewise we can draw this 3 point arc. Okay, this is the very simple. Okay, now we will see the start, center and end command. Okay, for it we have to specify first the start point, then the center point and then the end point. Okay, means the flow by which the command name have been given. Okay, likewise we have to go here. Okay, so we will see the next command, the start, center and angle. Here we have to specify the start point, the center point, and if you have any angle of that arc, we will simply enter that angle. I will say I want of 280. Okay, so our arc of that angle will be drawn here. Okay, so we will see next the start, center and length. Okay, just we have to mention the start point, the center point and just give length of our arc. Okay, if we have our length, just simply give length. If not, just manually select any point, our arc will be drawn here. Okay, so friends, we will see next the start, end and angle. Okay, for it we have to specify our start point, then the end point, and then we have to give the angle. Okay, means in which angle we want to draw our arc. If we have any angle, give that angle. If we have angle of 100 degree, just I will give 100 degree. Our arc of that dimension will be drawn here. Okay, so friends, likewise we can draw the start, end and direction. Here we have to just mention the start, end and give the direction from where our arc should have to drawn. Okay, likewise we can draw this arc. Okay, now we will see the next command, the start, end and radius. Okay, here we have to mention our start point, the end point and the radius. Okay, means how long our arc should have to go on. Okay, just mention if we have arc, just I will say I want arc of 40, the arc of that length or radius will be drawn here. Okay, just select the center, start end, just mention the center point, then start point and then end point to our arc. Okay, likewise, but here you will see we can draw only arc from the below to upward side. If we want to draw arc from upward to left, upward to down, we will see how to draw it. Okay, just here we have selected the first point here and the center point here. Just now we have to select the start, end. Just we have to select the start point from here, end point here, and just draw our arc will be drawn. Okay, so friends, likewise we will see the center, start and angle. We have to specify here the center, then start point and just give the angle. Okay, likewise these two commands are just quite similar to each other. We will see if we have start point from here, center point here, and our arc from upward to downward will be drawn. Okay, so friends, likewise we can draw these arcs. Next is the next center, start, length. Here we have to specify the center point, then the start point and then the length. If we have any length of arc, just give that length. If we have length of 50, give 50. Length from here to here, line travel distance is 50 mm. Okay, so friends, if we have drawn any arc, suppose I have drawn this arc, also if we have drawn these arc. Okay, so friends, here you will notice that our command have been ended, but if we want to extend this arc from this point, we have to choose the continue tab. As we select the continue command, our arc from that start point will automatically get selected. Okay, not for the arc. If we have a line, just select the line command. If we have drawn any line and we want to draw the arc from this point, just select the continue and our arc will start from this. Okay, but if you will say that if I select the circle, so friends, this will not work on the complete geometry. Means circle is the complete geometry, means it's none any point is opened. Okay, we will see it. Just select continue. Okay, it have chosen the last command, means in last figure, which last figure we have the open point. Okay, so friends, likewise we can draw these arc commands. Okay.